Hello everyone and welcome back. This video I'm going to walk you through how to find your Google Ads conversion ID. To find your Google Ads conversion ID, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Google Ads account. Click on the tools and settings icon that looks like a wrench at the upper right corner. Select measurements. Under it, click conversions and click on the desired conversion action. Look for the tag setup section. And the conversion ID will be displayed under the Use Google Tag Manager card. The conversion ID is a unique identifier for each conversion action you track in Google Ads. You will need the conversion ID to set up conversion tracking on your website or app. If you haven't created any conversion actions yet, you can create a new one by clicking the close button and following the instruction. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more. Thanks for watching.